Namaste friends. Today video is about a water irrigation system for my vegetable garden. See, by this tank we are connecting a drip irrigation system for every 2 feet. See, in this we are making a hole for a pipe. For this we will be connecting a drips for the water supply for my garden. Okay, it is of a 40 feet. See, this is a wall we are connecting for the pipe so that water leakage must be avoided. See, we already connected the valves. This is a connection of a drip pipes. See, this is a well planned now. For more updates, please follow my channel Grow Organic. Thank you.